my Jeep update for Monday, Memorial Day. I believe it's 29th. And we're starting our first 15-mile break-in period. I don't know if you can see the dash there. It actually started on 161. I did a few drive arounds in the neighborhood. And good morning, it's my Jeep update. And it's Tuesday, May 30th. And yesterday, Memorial Day, I started my break-in drive and put about 3 miles on the vehicle. At 40 miles an hour and approximately a mile, I noticed a real low whine from the differential. Turned around, returned home, and shut down. I checked the differential is slightly warm to the touch. I contacted Yukon and they suggested that I pull the cover off, do another pattern check, take pictures, and send them to Yukon for analysis. So that is my plan for right now. So ladies and gentlemen, my subscribers, I apologize that I haven't got further with this, but I'm going to pull it out. Yeah, it's my Jeep. I didn't go all the way to the marina. Turn around. I am hearing a little bit of a whine back there. I don't know if that's normal. I'm going to do some research on that. It's not loud or anything. But anyway, I want to research that and see if there's something I need to check into. But at 40 miles an hour, I do hear a low whine from the rear. Update you a little bit later. The question is now, can I save my Yukon gears? Well, I'm sure going to try.